Regular maintenance is necessary during the machine's use to protect it and ensure its performance. Waste ink generated during printing will be deposited around the waste ink pad, so regular cleaning is essential. Cotton swabs are provided with the machine for cleaning, and you can spray alcohol on them. Sometimes, ink may also accumulate on the print platform and should be cleaned promptly. It's recommended to clean the waste ink pad and platform once a week. The bottom of the printhead may accumulate some solidified ink during use. Use a cotton swab to clean it. It's recommended to clean the printhead every 2 weeks. The raster strip, which is used for the x-axis positioning of the printer, needs to be kept clean. Use the dust-free cloth included with the machine to clean it. It's recommended to clean the raster strip every 2 weeks. The waste ink from the cleaning process will flow into the waste ink bottle. It's recommended to empty the waste ink bottle once a week. White ink tends to precipitate, so you may notice some white ink at the bottom of the white ink bottle. After pouring out the white ink, add water, stir, and then pour out the settled ink. It's recommended to do this once every 30 days. The sliding rails will consume lubrication during use. A lack of lubrication can slow down the carriage's movement. It's recommended to apply lubricant to the rails once every 30 days.